नमस्कार. तुम्हाला जर हा व्हिडिओ आवडला तर केमिस्ट्री इजी या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. त्याचबरोबर हा व्हिडिओ जास्तीत जास्त लोकांना शेअर करा, लाईक करा. थँक्यू. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्स. Before going to discuss halogen derivative in 11th standard, you studied already hydrocarbons. You know that hydrocarbons. What is meant by hydrocarbons? Compound containing only carbon and hydrogens. Then such compounds are called as hydrocarbons. They are aliphatic hydrocarbons, aromatic hydrocarbons, etc. But the compounds which contains only carbon and hydrogen are called as hydrocarbons. For example, CH4, that is methane. It is saturated hydrocarbon. It is a member of alkane family. Similarly, another member CH3CH3 ethane. These are called as saturated hydrocarbon. It is aliphatic hydrocarbons. These are the examples of aliphatic hydrocarbons. Similarly, aromatic hydrocarbons. This is structure of benzene. It is example of aromatic hydrocarbon. It contains only carbon and hydrogen. Therefore, this is hydrocarbon. This is example of ethane. It contains only carbon and hydrogen. Therefore, it is also example of hydrocarbons. That is, the compounds which contains only carbon and hydrogen. The compounds which contain only carbon and hydrogen are called as the hydrocarbons. Then, what is meant by halogen derivative? Well, one of the hydrogen atom from these hydrocarbons are replaced by any halogen like chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. Then, the formed compound are called as halogen derivatives. The formed compound are called as halogen derivatives. For example, in case of ethane, out of these 6 hydrogen atoms, 1 hydrogen atom are replaced by chlorine. Then the formed compound are called as halogen derivative, that is chlorine derivative of alkane. Here alkane is ethane, that is CH3, CH2, Cl. It is called as halogen derivative of alkane. Ethyl chloride. Name of such compound is ethyl chloride. It is also called as chloroethane. Chloroethane. Similarly, here in case of aromatic compound, one of the hydrogen atom, suppose this hydrogen atom are replaced by halogen like bromine. Then such compound formed are called as halogen derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon, that is benzene. It is called as bromobenzene. It is called as bromobenzene. Bromobenzene. These are the example of halogen derivatives. It is called as halogen derivatives. In general, we can write here RH or AREH. In general, we can write in this way. Here, aliphatic hydrocarbons react with halogen. Then, hydrogen atom of aliphatic hydrocarbon are replaced by halogen to form alkyl halide. This alkyl group, it is halogen, that is alkyl halide. Here, Ar means arene group, that is benzene. It is benzene nucleus having one unusual valency attached to pH. It is arene, ARH. When it reacts with halogen, then hydrogen atoms are replaced by halogen to form ArX. Suppose X is Br. It is called as halogen derivative of arene, that is bromobenzene, and the byproduct is HX. In general, we can write in this way. Here, another hydrogen atom of benzene are also replaced by another hydrogen atom which may be same or different. Suppose it is replaced by Br. Then, such compound are also called as a halogen derivative. The name of such compound is ortho-dibromobenzene. It is 1,2-dibromobenzene. This is first member of alkane. When one of the hydrogen atoms are replaced by one chlorine, then the formed compound are called as halogen derivative of alkane, that is methyl chloride. When another hydrogen atom of methyl chloride are replaced by second number of chlorine, then it is also example of halogen derivative of alkane. It is called as methylene dichloride. Similarly, third hydrogen atom are also replaced by same halogen, that is chlorine. This example are also called as halogen derivative of alkane. It is called as chloroform. When all the four hydrogen atoms of methane are replaced by four halogen atom, that is chlorine atom, then such compound are also called as halogen derivative of alkane. The name of such compound is carbon tetrachloride. Therefore, correct definition of halogen derivative of hydrocarbon is the hydrocarbons in which may be aliphatic or aromatic. The hydrocarbons in which one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by corresponding number of halogens, then the formed compound are called as halogen derivative of hydrocarbon, which may be alkane, alkane, alkyne, whatever may be saturated hydrocarbon, and halogen derivative of arene, that is aromatic compound. Then, next we have to study here classification. It is essential to classify. Classification of halogen derivatives on the basis of carbon skeleton. On the basis of carbon skeleton, halogen derivative can be classified either haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkyne, haloarene. Ready? On the basis of carbon skeleton of the hydrocarbon, they can be classified into four groups. That is haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkyne, and haloarene. That means here haloalkane means alkane, that is CH3CH3. Yes, this is example of haloalkane. That is hydrogen atom of alkane, hydrogen atom of ethane are replaced by halogen. Therefore, the compound are called as haloalkane. That is, yes, in general it is called as the haloethane. haloethane. When X is Cl, then it is called as chloroethane. When X is Br, then it is called as bromoethane. This is example of haloalkane. Here carbon skeleton in this example are of alkane. Similarly, alkene. Here carbon skeleton of hydrocarbon is alkene. That means it contains carbon-carbon double bond. Out of these 4 hydrogen atoms, when one of the hydrogen atoms are replaced by halogen, that is Cl, for example Cl. In general, we have to write in this way. Here it is replaced by halogen X. Suppose X is Cl. Then same example can be represented as in this way. It is called as halogen derivative of alkene. That is chloroethene. Name of such compound is chloroethene. Name of such compound is chloroethene. It is also called as phenyl chloride. It is also called as phenyl chloride. It is an example of haloalkene. Similarly, haloalkyne. Here parent compound is alkyne. Parent hydrocarbon is alkyne. For example, Cl. It is alkyne. That is ethyne. In ethyne, there are 2 hydrogen atoms. When one of the hydrogen atoms of ethyne are replaced by halogen, in general it is represented as in this way, Cx. When X is suppose Br, it is replaced by these hydrogen atoms are replaced by Br, then the fourth compound can be represented as in this way. It is called as, the name of such compound is bromoethine. 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 This is example of haloalkyne. This is example of haloalkyne. Similarly, last one will be the haloarine. Arine means it is aromatic nucleus. Suppose benzene. This is called as arine. Here in benzene there are 6 hydrogen atoms and 6 carbon atoms. This is bond line structure of benzene. This structure are called as bond line structure. Complete structural formula of benzene can be represented as in this way. That means in benzene, in one molecule of benzene, there are 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen. Out of 6 hydrogen, when one of the hydrogen atoms are replaced by halogen, then it is called as halogen derivative of aromatic compound. It is called as a haloarine. It is called as haloarine. In general, we have to write in this way. Yes. When X is Cl, then compound are called as chlorobenzene. When X is Br, the compound are called as bromobenzene. These are the example of haloarine. Therefore, in general, in short, depending on the carbon skeleton in hydrocarbon, they can be classified into 4 groups. That is haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkyne, and haloarine.